This customer is looking to install an entrance mat in this vestibule area. Here we have the exterior door. The traffic direction kind of goes in this way. They hang a little bit of a right, and this is going to be the interior door, yet to be installed. But because this area is not completely square, we are templating. Templating can just be used with some standard rosin paper. We're using some frog tape around the areas. We're just kind of listing the frame types that we need. For this, it's nice. They do have a saddle threshold, and so we're actually installing this frame. So this will butt right up next to it, creating a 90-degree. And then over for the other entrances, they're not going to stick a threshold in here. Instead, they're going to be using this. So this is a surface-mounted frame. So those will just be installed right up against here. Once that door gets installed, it'll go from 0 up to a 1/2 inch. We're going to use that same product right over here. And then in this area here, they are just going to install some carpet tile. That gives them a little bit of play in here. There's not going to be any type of traffic. And that'll allow them to take the mat, shift it over, and then roll it up for ease of maintenance and installation. The product that we're going to be using in here is going to be this. And so for the frame, we can just kind of demonstrate. That butts right up there. And the mat will butt right up against that as well. And so this will be Tapcon down using masonry screws. So Tapcons every 18 to 24 inches. For around the external door here, we would probably do about every 12 inches. So probably about 3 Tapcons, maybe 4, holding this in place just because it sees a lot of use.